Well, hello there, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Nichols and Tops the Monkey, and we are ready for story number 4, lesson 1. Okay, here we go. All right, we are still focusing our attention on the short vowel A. And here's our A right here. All right, and we have our uppercase A, our lowercase a, and our picture, our sound picture. Apple, apple. So the sound for the short A is apple. All right, so we are going to be building our words, making words for our lesson number 1. And these are our letters. We have the lowercase a, C, k, D, uppercase D, lowercase f, lowercase m, uppercase N, lowercase n, uppercase P, uppercase S, lowercase s, and lowercase t. Now, one thing I'm sure you've noticed is that it doesn't matter if it's an uppercase N or a lowercase n. They're going to make the same sound. Same thing with uppercase S and lowercase s. They're going to make the same sound. All right, let's go ahead and get started building our words. Okay. Are you ready, Tops? He said she sure is. All right, here we go. We are going to take the A with a lowercase n, and what word did we just make? We have A with an N, and we make a little word, and it's an. An. Now, so if you know this, just say it with me. Okay, no problem. All right, so let's go ahead and add to an the lowercase c. That word is can. Can. And add the C, can. All right, and we're still going to use and we're going to use a uppercase D, capital D, and we have a name, and the name is Dan. So we have a character in the story named Dan. All right, and let's go ahead and still keep and we're going to use the lowercase f. So our new word is fan. And we're going to again keep and we're going to use the uppercase N or capital N, and we have nan. So we have another character in the story, and this character's name is Nan. All right, now we're going to change and we're going to take away the N, lowercase n, we're going to replace it with a T, and now we have AT, which is pronounced at. We're going to add an uppercase P or capital P, and we now have the name at. We have Pat. So Pat is another character in the story. All right, let's go ahead and take away the T, replace it with an M. So we're going to have A-M. And this is pronounced am, am. And we're going to use an uppercase P. And we have the name Pam. So we have another character. Pam is also in this story. And we're still going to use am, and we're going to add another uppercase letter, which is going to be the uppercase letter S. So now, am, we add the S, we get Sam. So we have another person, another character in the story, Sam. And then we're going to go back to using A-T. A-T is at, and we're going to add the lowercase s. So now we have at, sat. All right, let's go back over these words that we just created, words and names that we just created. Okay, here we go. Can, Dan, fan, Nan, Pat, and over here, Pam, Sam, sat. All right, come back for lesson 2 for story number 4. All right, Topson, I say goodbye.